Hey, this is Nathan Clark with your home sold guaranteed realty, and check out this quick video on how to host an open house correctly. And if you would like to get more videos like this and learn how to make $100,000 of net income guaranteed, or I'll pay you the difference, check out sellmorehomesnow.info, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. So here's how to host an open house. While advertising, the MLS, and social media are great tools to get your home sold, probably the best way to introduce your home to the prospective buyers out there for your client and other people and other agents is to hold an open house. The expertise of the agent that's handling this will really be the key to success. Let the agent help you with the setup of your home and scheduling open house dates. As the consumer, make sure that they are helping you, giving you some tips on what to do. Now, as an agent, make sure you're picking a good time to do the open house. You know, back in the day, we do open houses for 3-4 hours all day. You know, and that's really going to determine what time, what area you're in. In our area, what we like to do is a limited time open house because this really gets the people in there at that time frame. But open houses are very important the time when you schedule it. Where I'm doing this video right now in New England, you know, you got to think about sports. Sports are very big here. If there's a big game going on and you're trying to compete with that, that's going to hurt the number of people showing up. We see it time and time again. You know, like everything out there, the time of day is very important, but also look at the competition you're going against. You know, if there's a lot of open houses in the area, you want to be part of that open house out there. Okay, so make sure that you're having your open house with the other open houses so you get the flow of traffic that's around that. And if there's not any open house in that time, or maybe there's a game on that time that you're trying not to compete with, think about doing it a different day. There's nothing wrong with being different. You know, I know everybody does things the same, especially in real estate. Everybody does their open houses on Sunday from 12 to 2 or 12 to 3 or 1 to 4, whatever the time is. Try being different. You know, when I'm looking for houses, I remember we were down in Florida looking at houses. I'd go on Zillow and I would look at the houses out there that I wanted to drive by while I was just there for a couple of days to see what we were interested in. The houses that had open houses, there were a couple that did them on a Thursday. And I went to look at those houses that I was possibly interested in the area. And because I could get into that house and there was an open house, I went to that property and checked it out and actually was interested in it. So, you know, don't be afraid to be different. Another thing you need to do is help your homeowners. A lot of times, the homeowners, we've all had the seller that wants to be present during the open house. That's a huge no-no, and you really need to be able to explain to your client that we know it's their house, we're going to take care of it, we'll watch everybody that's coming in, but the presence is very distracting to potential home buyers as they come through, that they feel that the seller's lurking over their shoulder, watching their every move. So your job as the agent is hosting the open house. Begins with making sure that everybody feels comfortable. The other thing you want to do is make sure the house is sparkling clean. Eliminate as much clutter and organize your closets. Make sure the seller's doing that before the open house. As an agent, you can recommend that the property be staged. Make sure you have the best lighting to shine as much as possible to give the best look out there. So hopefully this information helped. If you'd like to check out more videos like this, feel free to check us out at sellmorehomesnow.info. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to contact me, get more information, feel free to give me a call at 401-232-7661. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button below. Thanks for watching.